Screen is visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This question we already did. Question number 2, first part, right? And this is question number 2, second part. Meher, read the question.
A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day.
Yes.
On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750.
Yes.
Uh, we would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day.
Produced on that day. So, children, we have to find the number of toys produced on that day. It means you have to suppose the number of toys produced on that day will be X, right? So, you will write here, let the number of toys produced on that day. It will be X, right? Now see, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. And the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of products. So that means the cost of production what is stated? The cost of production was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced on that day. It means the total number of toys are X and X minus 55. Clear this thing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because number of toys are X and cost of production in rupees was the number of toys produced in that day minus 55. Now cost of production it is given 750 and this is equal to X square minus 55X, beta. Right? Now you can split the middle term. Now split the middle term and tell me the factors. Tell in polynomial. This we have already done. Yes, children, tell me what are the factors? See, 750 is there. Here is 750. You have to multiply your constant term by coefficient of x square. And here coefficient of x square is 1. So 750 multiplied by 1. So it will be 750. Now see 75. 25 3 is 75. Or we can write 30. So 75 into 30. It will be 750. Now add them. 25 plus 30. It will be 55, beta. Yes, class 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly
ma'am.
be on unmute. Right. Now, just split the middle term by writing the factors 25x plus 30x minus 750. Open the bracket, beta. X square minus 25x. Now, before bracket, there is minus sign. So, inner sign will also be minus. So, minus 30x minus 750 is equal to 0. Now, take x common between first two terms. So, x common, x minus 25 beta. Now, from last two terms, you will take minus 30 common. So, it will be x minus 25. Or you can check your factorization also, whether it is correct. Now, multiply 30 into x is 30x, you will get this term. Now, 30 into 25, 750. So, that means this is correct. Now, factors are x minus 25 and x minus 30. Clear? Now, you have to find the number of twice. So, number of twice. So, just put them equal to 0. So, x minus 25 is equal to 0 and x minus 30 is equal to 0. Then value of x is 25 and value of x is 30. Now, what you can write the number of twice produced on that day is equal to 25 or 30. Okay, beta? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
note this. Yes, Aryan, Abhinav, Dharya, Meher, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu.
Yes, ma'am.
All have understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, understood, beta? Tell me, Siddhishri. Or may I have to explain it once again? Children, in your objective test that will be on Sunday, two exercises only will come. Exercise 4.1, in which you have to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. And second is the roots, where equation will be given and you have to choose the correct roots from the options. Okay. And these type of word problems. Written this much. May I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the statement below?
Yeah. Below or up.
The number of toys produced.
Oh.
It's 25 or 30.
Yes, or 30. Because both can be na. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So here, see two numbers you need to find. Whose sum is 27? Suppose children, there are two friends, right? And both of them 100 rupees. And suppose I'm saying that this friend A has 40 rupees. Then what will be having B friend? How many rupees it will have? He will have 60 beta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have done? You have just subtract 40 from the 600, na? Right? So here
Yes,
also, suppose there are two friends. They have two numbers and both of them has the sum of their number is 27. Let the first friend has X number. And then second will be 27 minus X or not.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you can let first number be X and then second number be 27 minus X. Now you have given the condition their product. So it means their product will be equal to 182. Product means you have to multiply both the numbers. So X into 27 minus X will be equal to 182. Now multiply 27 into X. 27 X into X. X square is equal to 182. Now here we have X square having minus sign. So just transpose it to right hand side to get plus. So it will be X square minus 27X plus 180 is equal to C. Now children, split the middle term. Try to solve it. Children, this thing is clear to all. How you will consider the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is the
beta.
product 182? Is it
182.
80?
Product is 182. Make the factors. Have you done the factors? See 182. First of all, its unit place is it 2. So that means it will be divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 1. Now 91. So divide by table of 3, 13. 13 7s are 91. 7 1s are 7. So 17 to 7 2s are 14 into 30. Now add them. You will get 27. So write x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now take x common from first two term. It will be x minus 13. Take minus 14 common, again x minus 13. It will be 0. Now x minus 14 and x minus 13. So put them separately equal to 0. So value of x is 14 and value of x is 3. So it means if first number is 14, then second number will be 27 minus 14, 13. Right, beta? Or if first number is 13, then second number will be 27 minus 13, 40. Got it my point, beta? If you have got two positive values of x, then you need to write answers according to the both roots. Okay? Got it, beta?
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
say that
ma'am.
again?
Aryan, Abhinav, Siddharth, Dhairya, Meher, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. Dhairya? Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, how did you find factors?
Yes, beta?
Ma'am,
Factors? Okay.
I was
Okay, see, beta. Meher? See, you have to make factors of 182, right? First of all, do prime factorization. So it will be 91 and this will be 13 into 7. Now factors are 2 into 13 into 7. Now, by hit or trial method, what you need to do, you have to just factorize. You have to just multiply or make factors. See, suppose if I'm making these factors like this, that see 26 into 7. So if you are adding 26 plus 7, it will be 33. And if you are subtracting that, then it will be 16 minus 7, 19. Right,
Yeah.
beta? Meher?
yes, ma'am.
Now consider another one. So here it was 2 into 13 into 7. Now take this. 7 to the 14 into 13. So when you are subtracting, you will get 1. Now if you are adding them, then you will get 27. It means these two are the factors. Okay. Don't make the factors like this 15 and 12. This is 27. But when you are multiplying this, you will get 180. So you have to choose those factor only whose multiplication will be equal to your product of first term and last term. Coefficient of first term and last term. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Kamshu?
Can you explain the green colored thing?
Factorization.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, beta. Suppose you are having this x square plus 7x plus 12. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to factorize it. So how will you factorize it? See, you have to multiply your constant term. Constant term is your 12. You have to multiply your constant term with coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1 only. So 12
Yes.
ones are 12. Okay. Now, beta, what you have to do? You have to just make factors of 12. So make factor. One factor is 12 and 1 only. So when you are adding 12 and 1, you will get 13. So we want 7 only. Now suppose if I subtracting it, you will get 11. Now take another factor. In which table it comes? After this, 2 table, 2 6 are 12. Right? Now add them. 6 plus 2 will be 8. And 6 minus 2 will be 4. Again, our motive is not solved. So in next step, what you will do? Take 3 table. 3 fours is 12. Now add them. 3 plus 4, it will be 12. It will be 7, sorry. And when you are multiply them, it will be 12. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 and 4 will be the factors. Just write here. It will be x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Now take x common from first two terms, x plus 3. Now take 4 common from last two term, x plus 3. So factors are x plus 4 and x plus 3. Yes, children, now all have understood how you will make the factors?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhishri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan, Abhinav, Siddharth, Dharya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's start next question. This is your question number 4. Question number 4 is, find two consecutive integers, positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. So what do you mean by positive integers, consecutive positive integers?
The numbers
Tell
which
me.
come one after another,
Yes, one after
like
another. Yes,
like
very
1 and
good.
2.
Yes. Now positive integer they are asking. So here sum of whose squares it is written. So tell me your numbers consecutive means suppose 1, 2, 3. These are the consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3. Because when you are adding 1 to 1, you will get 2. When you are adding 1 to 2, you will get 3. So these are the consecutive. So let first number be x. Right? Now second number, you have to add 1 to the second number. So it will be x plus 1. Got it, beta? How you will suppose the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, according to the condition, sum of whose squares? So according to the condition, sum of whose square, it means x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. Got it this step, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
here is a plus b whole square identity. So what is your a plus b whole square identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So you will write a plus b whole square. So write a square b is your 1, b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into, and this is equal to 365. Now x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 365 is equal to 0. I have transposed this 365 to the left hand side. Now x square will be 2x square. Right here 2x and 365 minus 1. 360. Okay, beta. Now if you will observe that this quadratic equation contains multiple of 2. So you can divide this equation by 2. So divide equation 1 by 2. We get divided it. So it will be x square plus x minus 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 12. 2 jar. Now 182. Now in previous question we have made the factors 14 into 13. Right, beta?
Yes.
And we want 1 here. So when you subtract 13 from 14, you will get 1 only. So just write here x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now, rest steps you can do with your own. Right, beta? Now tell me, Sudhamshu, Siddhishri, Meher, Dharya, Siddharth, Abhinav, Aryan, all have understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Please note this.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Meher, show my, yes, beta.
Ma'am, once can you explain this again, ma'am? I didn't get a
This
plus
question.
b whole square 1. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square. So we have supposed our two numbers be consecutive be. One will be x and second will be x plus 1. This is clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have given the sum of the square. So first of all, find the square of these numbers. So it will be x square and the square of this number will be x plus 1 whole square. This is clear? Now here it is the word written sum. Sum is written. It means the sum of these two numbers square. So the x square plus x plus 1 whole square. And this is equal to 365. Okay. Now here, open this. Here we have binomial term, means x plus 1 whole square. So you will apply this identity a plus b whole square. And here value of a is x and value of b is 1. So just put the values. Abhinav, now this is clear, beta? Why I have written x square
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
x plus 1 whole square? Okay.
Yes,
Done,
ma'am.
children? All have got the values of x?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please show me your notebooks then on the screen. Turn on your cameras.
value. ma'am.
What happened? Nobody wants to turn on the camera.
Ma'am, value of x is equal to 14.
Values are correct, Sudhamshu. I want to see your steps, beta. That's why I am asking. To show your note. Yes, there. Show me your
Yes,
notebook,
ma'am.
beta.
Ma'am,
Show
one
me your
minute.
notebook.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Aryan,
Ma'am, I did not get answer, ma'am. Please wait.
you have not got okay.
Ma'am, is the
Yes,
answer
Sudhamshu.
13 and 14, I think.
Yes, show me. Keep closer.
Ma'am, the answers 13 and minus 14.
Not minus 14. It will be, yes. 13 and minus 14. So first number will be 13. The second will be 14. Yes, Sudhamshu. Keep closer.
I'm considering the minus values, right?
Yes. Because positive integer is given. That's why. And Sudhamshu, one more thing, beta. Avoid cuttings. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. There, show me a notebook. Keep closer. Yes. Good, beta. There, you also kindly avoid cuttings, beta. Okay, Siddharth. Those who are not able to turn on their cameras, kindly send your solution on my personal window. Okay. So, children, after that, see, take x common. It will be x plus 14. And take here minus 13 common from last two term. It will be 14. So, factors are x minus 13 and x plus 14. Put them separately equal to 0. Then your values will be 13 and minus 14. You will neglect this minus 14 because in your question it is written positive integers. See, here term is written positive. So you will neglect this negative term. Okay. So your numbers are 13 and 14. So you will write numbers are 13 and 14. This is the answer. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
All have
Ma'am,
understood. May I proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, once can you show the question again?
Yes, Meher?
Ma'am, once can you show the question again?
Yes, I will show. See, it's visible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how is 13 square plus 14 square is equal to 365?
13 square. See, check your answer. So number 13 and 14. So 13 square. It will be 169.
Yes, ma'am.
And 14 square is 196.
Yes, ma'am.
Add them. 9 plus 6, 15. 16, 365.
Ma'am, I by mistakenly multiplied them both.
Okay.
169.
Okay. Just
Ma'am,
take
can
care
you
of the.
proceed with the next question,
Okay,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Yes. Yes, yes. I'm going to proceed to next question. See, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter than its base. So, let me draw a triangle. This is your right angle triangle. Right, beta? This is your base. And suppose base is x. And you have given the altitude is 7 centimeter less. It means x minus 7. And the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Now you have to find the sides. So what you need to do here? You will apply Pythagoras theorem.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
hypotenuse is given. So first of all, you have to write, let the base of triangle be base of right angled triangle be x centimeter and its altitude is equal to x minus 7 centimeter and hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem, children? The square of,
A square plus B square is equal to this.
yes, or you can say the square of the sum of squares of other two sides is equal to the square of largest side, right? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square will be equal to AC square. Or you can write like this, perpendicular square plus base square will be equal to hypotenuse square. Right, beta? So just write here, perpendicular is x minus 7 whole square. Base is your x square is equal to 13 square. Now here, apply the identity a minus b whole square. You can apply. So apply this identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in this equation, in this question, value of a is x and value of b is 7. Just write the values. X square a square plus b square 7 square minus 2ab 2 into x into 7 is equal to plus x square is equal to 13 square is 160. Right, beta?
Yes.
Yes, children, tell me, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now
Can we
solve
divide
this
the
x square.
equation with
Yes, beta?
Can we divide the equation with 2?
Yes. First of all, see x and x 2x square minus 14x plus 1 plus 49 minus 169. It will be 0. Then equation will be 2x square minus 14x. 169 minus 140, 120 is equal to 0. Now you can divide whole equation by 2. Right? So
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
be x square minus 7x plus 60. Now make the factor of this 60. 60. To get 7.
Ma'am, isn't
Now
it
you can do
minus
beta?
120 minus 60?
Yes, 12 5s are 12 and 5, right?
No, no, ma'am. Minus 60, right?
Yes, minus 120. So children, I guess now next question you can do with yourself, beta. This is also a cottage industry question. Please note this question.
Are we taking negative values here?
Yes, beta.
Are we taking negative values, ma'am?
90 value where?
Negative
In
value, ma'am.
triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
In triangle, beta. Speak
I
once
got a
again.
negative. I got a negative value, so
So
should
negative
we
you
consider?
can't take, na? You will neglect the negative value because side can't be negative, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Both, yes. One value should be positive. I think you will get the value of x as 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So one side will be 12, then other will be 5 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, beta there.
That was me. Abhinav.
Okay. Abhinav, you have also done?
Yes, ma'am. I was the one who was
Okay.
talking.
Okay. Keep it up, beta. Very good. And children, start sending your homework on my personal window. I'm asking this thing again and again. Okay? Kindly solve this question, this fifth one. And last question, this a cottage industry. I will post in your WhatsApp also, okay? If you are not having NCERT textbook. Okay, beta?